Hi everyone, and
Next
welcome
question
to my
So
channel.
let's have a
I go by name Miss B, and today I'm gonna go through 2017 SACE exam question 3. So the question is asking to write the expression given here in the form of ln of k. Pretty much it looks like we have to simplify all of this, and the final answer should be in this form. Let's get started. So what I would do here, so I'm not going to copy the same thing again, so I'm just going to start solving it. So it's equal to, and you may know from maybe 11 the some log rules, so that number in front of ln can be moved and put into the power of, for example, this number 2 plus half of ln of 16. So we can do the same, half goes into the power, then we're just going to copy ln of 8. Now the next one, we're going to simplify. Ln 2 to the power of 5 is 32, so plus ln of 16, so it's the same as 16 to the power of half is the same as square root of 16, so that will be ln of 4, then take away ln of 8. Now the other rule, so that most likely you have seen, so lnab is the same as lna plus lnb, and it does go opposite way too, so which means ln of 32 plus ln of 4 can be simplified, and it can be written like this, take away ln of 8. The next one, multiply, which is going to be 128, take away ln of 8, and the other rule, ln of a take away ln of b is the same as ln a over b. Okay, please note it's not the same as ln of a over ln of b, not the same. So equal to, so which means I will delete it, gone. So let's go back here, ln 128 over 8, and it's going to give us the final answer, ln of 16. In our case, k is equal to 16. The next one is to solve the equation ln of 16 plus 2 ln x equal to 0. And please note that x is positive, it's bigger than 0. So from here, what we're going to do, I'll copy this one here, so plus 2 ln of x equal to 0. So what I will do, I will move this to the other side, becomes negative, or take negative ln 16 from both sides. So either way, so that's going to give us 2 ln of x is equal to ln of 16. So we have seen it before that this number in front of ln, it's gonna be moved in the power of x, so it's gonna be 2 equal to, and we have ln of 16, so this becomes negative, okay, because we have moved it to the other side, so which means we can have here ln of 16 to the power of negative 1. So now if we do apply exponential to both sides, so what's going to happen, exponential, I'm going to use this one here, so exponential to both sides, exponential ln, it does eliminate each other, so we are left with x to the power of 2 equal to 16 to the power of negative 1, or 1 over 16. Now we have x to the power of 2 here, so we just need 1x, and we do know when we have x to the power of 2, what we do, we take square roots of both sides, and then we say plus minus. So because we have two options, two solutions for this, and cancel out this, so therefore x is equal to plus minus 1 over 16. But now you have to be careful here, as if we look here, x is bigger than 0, so therefore we may say as x is bigger than 0, your final answer for x is going to be 1 over 4, not 16, isn't it? Because if you look here, this part here, 1 over 16 square root of it is actually 1 over 4. Silly me. So this part here plus minus 1 over 4, and you didn't say anything. So anyway, that would be all for this question 3, and I see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye.